Real people, real cases. This is Verdict Watch.
Court does call the case of the people versus Winona Harvey.
Harvey.
Morning, Your Honor. Hannah Mack, requesting permission to practice under Michigan Court Rule 8.120 under Public Defender Brian Bowling.
Permission to practice is granted. Good morning.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Harvey, can you state your name?
No, I can't. I know you got my last name, Michelle. Where are you? Where are you?
I met with you in jail yesterday.
Look, if it's gonna skip, okay, yeah, okay.
All right. You're Miss Harvey?
Yeah.
Okay. You're seeking an adjournment?
I am, Your Honor.
No, not you. I'm not Miss Harvey. People don't miss Harvey. I'm Harvey. I'm Harvey like that. People don't miss me, but I'm Harvey.
Okay,
Miss
so
Harvey,
that
I'm
maybe she doesn't want to be addressed as a Mrs.
Understood.
No, I know miss. People don't misses me or nothing. I'm the Harvey.
Sorry about that.
My apologies.
Okay.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned June 5th, 2025. 9 a.m. Bond continued.
We'll be in touch, Harvey, okay?
When?
I'll come
Excuse
visit
me,
you.
what's going on?
We just adjourned your case. Winona, remember we spoke yesterday and you said
Until when?
Which date did you get?
June 5th.
Thank you.
June
Sorry.
5th, you want to see me?
No, I'm going to see you before then.
Look, I'm not going back. I can't go back to the conference room. That hurt my back a lot. That room you took me and hurt my back a lot.
Okay. I'm going to let you talk to your attorney some other place, okay?
Okay,
Thank you. Shut her, please.
Next case on the docket.
Court does call the case People versus Douglas Hill.
Thank you, sir. On behalf of Mr. Hill.
Got a problem. All right. Yes.
You're good. They got to cover your butt. You don't want to see it.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. I did provide the court with a clean sheet. We're simply asking for a brief adjournment in this case.
If I were to test your client, will you test clean today? And I don't like being lied to.
That's cool.
Probably not.
Okay.
What would be in your system?
I've been tested dirty for cocaine and THC, I believe.
3 successive occasions. Mr. Allen. I have a bond violation report here.
But I haven't even been out a week to get my system clean. I just caught this charge and the bond was just set, so I haven't had time to actually get my system clean.
I have a whole week of testing with cocaine in your system.
We also have a failure to appear for CCOP, is that correct?
For CCOP, what's that?
It's
That's true.
correction stuff.
No, oh yes, they rescheduled my appointment for Monday at 9:30 with the brown guy for the outpatient program.
Yeah.
Yes, because I thought I showed up at 2, it was at 1:30, and then I also dropped yesterday.
Why is cocaine still in your system?
It will not be today.
Well, you just told me it was going to come back.
Because I haven't dropped clean yet, that's why I assumed that. I don't know how long it takes to leave.
You're still using.
No, I'm not.
No, because you want, okay, I'm going to tell you what. If you're telling me you're not, I'm going to take you back. I'll call over, get levels, and then we'll see exactly what's happening.
So I got
You want me to do that?
so I can drop today.
No,
I'm sorry, I
You
didn't.
would go back there with my bailiff. I will call over and get levels. If you're telling me that your system is just cleaning out.
My system should be clean.
No, that's not what I'm saying. You're telling me you're not using,
Correct.
right?
Yes.
Okay. Then this must be some super duper cocaine.
I haven't.
So we'll figure it out. And so what I'm gonna do is, Mr. Allen, you can take him back. We will call over to community corrections, get your levels, and then we'll figure out what's happening. They probably don't have anybody right there then. They do? Okay. Case what's this? Where'd Cannon go? Okay. About to call her client back up. Court does recall the case, People versus Hill.
I think they were looking for the people.
Well,
Yes, Your Honor, we did receive the results in this matter and I have discussed them with my client. And what the likely outcome will be based on that result.
Pardon?
And what the likely outcome will be based on that result.
Well, just so the record's clear, he had indicated to me that he hadn't taken it, but hadn't been using, but his levels started out in May, or cocaine started out on May 7th at 424, then went down by May 9th to 353, but then by the 14th shot up to 889. So anything else you want to say? He's been using.
Your Honor, my client is just asking for a 1-week adjournment in this case. We're gonna have him screened for drug court to see if that's a suitable, a good fit
Probable
for him.
cause conference will be adjourned May 29th, 2 weeks on.
2 weeks. Thank you, Your Honor.
Absolutely. 2025, 9 a.m. His bond is revoked.
And Mr. Hill?
Thanks for watching Verdict Watch. New court drama every day. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a case. Leave a comment with your thoughts. We're watching too.